welcome back to the last day of hashtag Summerina, where I was uploading videos every single day of this week. I am so glad and proud of me that I was able to pull this off, and if you did happen to miss out on any of the uploads, I will leave the playlist in the description and up on the screen. And I'm really putting in all of my efforts to be this person who's consistent, so please don't mind subscribing and hit on the bell notification so that you can get updated every time I'm online. And yes, I do have 10 products which are under ₹100, which are game changers, if anything, a total must have. And I do know for a matter of fact that Mridul Sharma has also done a similar video and I absolutely enjoyed it, so I would definitely link it for you in the description. I have made sure that all of my 10 recommendations are completely different to hers, so that in total when you guys get to watch this video, you have about 20 recommendations which are under ₹100. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Let's go. Alright, number one on the list we have is the Nivea Whitening Deodorizer, and the one that I have right now is the bigger variant. They do have a travel size variant which comes at ₹99, and this is amazing. Now, do I see a difference in terms of lightening of my underarms? Not to a major extent, but I definitely do see it. Now, there are a lot of other elements that do go into lightening your underarms. You should be scrubbing it, you should be masking it. There's a lot. People have routines for their underarms. Am I one of them? Not yet. This just really helps in neutralizing the odor of your underarms, and it sits very well with whatever perfumes I use. So overall, I really enjoy this, and it's just one of those deodorizers that stay for long. I don't have to constantly reapply it. Once I'm done in the morning, I don't think about it, and that's what I really like about this. Alright, number 2 on the list we have is the Blue Heaven Walk Free Eyebrow Definer Pencil. Oh my god, I am shocked with this. This just retails for ₹85, and I don't know how have they managed to create something so beautiful within that range. And also, I mean, all of these products are for ₹99, but I would highly encourage you for not to buy them at MRP, because all of these are always on discounts, and buying makeup, to be honest, on MRP is a sin that we ain't committing. Repeating outfits on Instagram, on the other hand, I totally approve. If you just take away the price tag and the brand name and just give it to someone to use, they wouldn't know the difference if this is a drugstore or a high-end, because this just works so beautifully. It's pigmented, it's got this really beautiful angular edge to it, which just works. Like, you know, if you want to draw fake hair, you want to fill in your eyebrows, you want to shape it, it just makes it so much easier. Next for you I have is this baby right here. This is an oldie but a goodie. Now, I have used so many of these in the past, and they come in so many vivid sizes, and let's face it, we all have used this, we've all tried this, and it's just one of those tried and tested wala products. Now, I like the clear variant because it's just easy that way. वो bursting wala variant मुझे कभी समझा ही नहीं, because that would just not burst, and I would go vigorous on my face trying to burst those beads. So yeah, I just did not find the point in it. This, however, on the other hand, just works, man. I mean, it's an oil-free formula, so irrespective of your skin type being oily or dry, you can definitely use this, and it's just very gentle on the skin. It does not dry out. Definitely give this a try, because I'm telling you, there won't be any regret. Have for you is ta-da! This is the NY Bay nail polish, and this is the nail lacquer. You get about 6 ml of product. The consistency of this is just the way I like my nail polishes to be. This is a very liquidy formula, but at the same time it's very pigmented. So you don't need multiple layers on your nail, but even if you do, it does not, you know, cake up or like layer up or look very thick on your nails. Now, I have really short nails. Things can go wrong real quick with my nails, so this came in really handy. I also like the brush, and also, can I just take a moment and tell you, this is such a compact size that if you are a collector, you know storage is a big issue with big ginormous looking bottles of nail polishes, but this is cute, this is adorable. Now, in terms of the longevity of these nail colors, I would say this lasted on me for solid 4 to 5 days without any chipping. Like, I do see a little chipping here and there, and it is my 5th day of having this. Again, I'm not even the kind that uses a base coat and a top coat. I'm just not there yet, but I mean, if you are there, probably this will last you for a solid week, and that is decent, okay? That is decent for something you're paying just 49 rupees. Okay, I am excited about this one. How would you feel if I tell you I have a VLCC ka skincare product which fits into a 99 wala budget? Honestly, if you would have told that to me 10 years back, I would have probably freaked and flipped all over, because back in the days, VLCC was like the it game for skincare. This, my friend, is ta-da! This is the VLCC Shea Butter plus Argan Oil plus Honey plus SPF 20 3-in-1 Intensive Care Cold Cream. Now you'll be like, Reena, why are you telling us about a cold cream? It's really boiling outside. I get it. Although they claim it to be a cold cream, the consistency is not that thick or that heavy. Like, it's definitely thick, but it's not heavy on the skin. As you can see, it just blends into your skin very well. It's very hydrating, very moisturizing, and I don't know why are they claiming it to be like a cold cream time. I don't see this working that great, to be honest, as a cold cream. But if you are someone with dehydrated or dry skin, you could easily use this as moisturizer. This is absolutely amazing. Even for oily skin type, you can try this product. This would keep your skin really hydrated. I don't know what it is with the product, but it has a little bounce to it, and there's no chip with this product whatsoever. It's very lightweight, and it just gets absorbed into the skin really easily, and I thoroughly enjoy this. I actually had this product in my bag for a week, and I used this as a hand cream as well, and it was amazing. Like, it's not the most hygienic thing to do because it comes in the tub and it has a really nice smell. I am not that big on fragrances with skincare, but I'm also not anti it because I just like the feel of it. Next up I have is the Hip Hop Nail Polish Removing Pads. Now you would be blown away if I tell you how old this product is. I literally purchased this in 2016. Oh yes, now that clearly just gives it away to you one thing, that I'm not that big on nail polishes. Even after all of these years, 2016, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, the पाँच से 6 साल हुआ है I've had this. I'm not sure as to the number of pads you get inside, but they are so potent that you just need one single pad to remove all the nail polish from your hands, both of them, as well as your feet. And they are so hydrating and nourishing for your fingers. This has vitamin E in it, which is really amazing. It does not dry out your nails. It does not leave that crusty white cast. It's just amazing. This also has a little tangy fragrance to it. And next up I have is a personal give or take, and that is a kajal. Now this is the L18 kajal. Now I have the older packaging. I just rechecked and they have revamped the packaging, and now it comes in like a more sleeker one, and it's water resistant, and I've got good reviews about it. Personal experience with this one, this is a really old formula. This is one of those typical black kajals. These do smudge, which is why I use them in the first place. So especially if I'm doing like a dark brown smoky eye, or I just want like a smoky liner without actually drawing a liner, I would just draw this and then just smudge it all over, and you know, it would give you that smoky kajal effect, and I really enjoy it sometimes with my makeup, which is why I still have it. I'm not so sure about the newer formula, but what I can see with the reviews, it seems to be a really good kajal. It is pretty black. Yeah, if you're looking out for like an affordable kajal and you want it from a really good, safe, reputed brand rather than going for something really cheap like Mars, ADS, like we really don't want to take those things around our eyes, especially. We only have one pair. I just wanted to talk about this so that you come across this brand knowing that it's a safe one, it's a good one. Okay, next up on the list I have from this brand, which I am blown away with their products and the prices that they come. I mean, how are they doing it? They are like the blue heaven of skincare brands, if I may, and I'm talking to you about the Alps Goodness. Oh my god, I've tried a couple of the products and I am blown away in a good way. So today what I have for you over here is the Alps Goodness Pomegranate Hydrating Facial Scrub, and you get 29 grams of product, and the MRP of this is 99, but let's be honest, I didn't buy it at MRP, so wouldn't you? Also the packaging is good, like even though it's plastic, it's not like one of those really cheap flimsy one. It just has that really sweet fruity scent. Now I really enjoyed this scrub. It's a very underrated one. If you have sensitive skin, you might want to skip on this because the granules in here might be a little too harsh on yours, but I like me a good scrub, especially on the nose. The formula in here is very creamy, so it definitely hydrates my skin while it is scrubbing my skin. If you're looking out for an affordable scrub which is non-drying and very creamy and hydrating, definitely give this a try. And well boy, do I even dare to keep you hanging without giving you any lip product recommendations? I don't think so, y'all. I have not only one but two. I am so proud of me. First one is like a hidden gem. I have had these years and years now, and I really don't know where am I lacking. Probably I should be more consistent to make an actual difference and hype about these products, and these are absolutely phenomenal, and you know it when you hear the brand, and it is from Miss Claire. Oh yeah, it is their Miss Claire lip pencil liners. Now these are absolutely freaking amazing. First of all, when I bought these were like yay tall, like not even kidding, yay tall, and I got them for like 50, 60, at best 80 rupees, not 1 penny more than that. And I remember having so many, like at least 4 se 5 the, but I just could find 2 of these right now. Yes, you have to sharpen them, but I mean, these give you performance. These are here for good. These are absolutely amazing. They don't tug, they don't pull, they are creamy, they are there, they last very long. And what else do you need? They make sure that your lipstick isn't bleeding. These are so old that iska print bhi chala gaya, so I can't even tell you what shade or number this is. And lastly, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you, ta-da! Oh my god, this is a complete star of the show. This is from the brand Badi, which is again a very underrated one, but something that you must definitely look into. Oh my god, this is like straight up lychee, and forget about that also, like don't really, that's a very important point. The consistency, it's just amazing. Like it's just one of those lip balms that will never fail you, that will always be there like a ride or die, where I put my hand and it just melts with the heat of my body, and it just becomes this really smooth consistency. And when I apply this at night and wake up in the morning, my lips are not chapped, decent, there are no cracks or cuts or peeling, and I am happy. So the ingredient list is so clean and clear. We again got some shea butter. You just know by now, shea butter is my thing, it's my jam, and it's amazing, y'all. You have to try it. Have to. There is no give or take. And that's it, y'all. I really hope you enjoyed this video. You found it entertaining and helpful. Definitely watch one of those videos for more recommendations. Let me know if you want me to do more such videos. I would be more than happy to do it. And definitely don't mind subscribing and hit on the bell notification so that you get updated every time I'm online. You can also follow me on my Instagram, the links to which will be in the description. And I really hope you enjoyed Summerina. I would definitely see you with another season next year. Until then, we are now back to our regular uploads, which is twice a week. So I will see you next week now. Goodbye.